I just wanted to chat with you today about decluttering your house. Sometimes people can accumulate a lot of stuff, and it's just stuff. It's not even meaningful, it's not even useful. It can be stuff in your closet that doesn't fit you. I've seen this a lot, or that you don't wear. You just need to get rid of it. One tip for my closet is I always keep a Rubbermaid bin. So if I try on a piece of clothing and it doesn't fit, I don't like it that day, I throw it in the bin. And when the bin is full, I bag it up and I take it to Goodwill. Done. If you are feeling overwhelmed, you can start small. So start with a drawer, start with a shelf, start with a small closet, and then you can move on to your closet or your garage. And then lastly, if it's an item that you just don't use, if it's not your favorite, it's okay to let go. You can either donate it to the local charity, or maybe there's a neighbor or a younger kid in your neighborhood that might enjoy some of your things. But it's gonna feel good once you clean out and have less stuff. It helps your emotional health. Then you're not walking in the door going, I gotta take care of that pile. If you take care of that pile and streamline your house, it can really make a difference. I hope this helps you. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and also on my website at emilyelizabethhome.com. Thanks for joining me.